Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a data-driven strategy with HubSpot easy tutorial step-by-step clearly. Start by logging into your HubSpot account. If you don't have one, create an account at HubSpot's website. Once logged in, navigate to the marketing section in the main menu. From the drop-down, select Analytics Tools. Here, you will find various analytics options to explore. Begin with dashboards to create a visual representation of your data. Click on Create Dashboard to start fresh. Choose from pre-built templates or create a custom dashboard. If you're building a custom one, name your dashboard and select the reports you want to include. Next, focus on key performance indicators that align with your business goals. Gather relevant data from the metrics provided by HubSpot. These can include website traffic, lead generation, and conversion rates. After selecting the metrics, drag and drop them into your dashboard layout. Once you're satisfied with the arrangement, click Save. Now that your dashboard is set up, analyze the data. Identify trends and insights that can inform your strategy. Use the insights to pinpoint your strengths and weaknesses. Next, go to the Contacts section to understand your audience better. Segment your contacts based on their behavior and demographics. This will allow you to create targeted marketing campaigns. Now, navigate to the Marketing tab and select Campaigns. Create a new campaign based on your data analysis. Set clear objectives and determine the target audience for your campaign. Now, use the email tool to craft personalized messages. Tailor your content to address the specific needs of each segment. Schedule your emails for optimal delivery times based on past performance. Once your campaign is live, monitor its performance through your dashboard. Check the analytics regularly to see how it's performing. Analyze open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates. Adjust your strategy as needed based on the data you collect. Finally, continuously iterate on your strategy for ongoing improvement. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.